Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Schmoops Adventures. Today we're on the sunny island of Jost van Dyke in the British Virgin Islands. We're waiting for our friend Andy and Jamie to show up. Andy is a captain with Reef Safari Charters out of St. Thomas. So we're going to spend the day with them and explore some of the BVIs. So come along with us. So we walked from the Customs Police Station. There's a road that takes you around Great Harbor here. So we're going to walk up to the other dock where we expect to meet Andy. Yay. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Very Caribbean feel. Corsair.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are we doing? So we're stopping in Corsair. We got some copyright music here. I'm going to have to keep talking over it. But we actually had to put our sticker here. Look for it if you come down here. We're getting a rum punch and a beer.
Corsair.
Yes.
A good day. We're pirates. Should we drink rum before noon?
There you go. Yeah, that's a good size. All right.
Hell yeah, baby. That's good.
All right.
And he makes a good rum punch, guys.
Corsair's place is pretty cool. Stop in there, say hi to Vinny. He's had that place.
He's a really cool guy, and he makes a mean rum punch.
Yeah, he's had that place since 2003. Rebuilt it after the hurricane in 2017. So nice place.
Yeah.
Got a couple really cool beach bars along here, but we're making our way down to Foxy's now.
Here we are at Foxy's in the BVI.
Yeah, you don't come to the BVI and not visit Foxy's. Foxy's been here forever. Really cool old dude, and yeah, the place, all the stickers are still here. Amazing. Definitely a favorite. Guys, Andy and Jamie are pulling up to the dock now. Andy friend!
Andy guy!
How was your ride? Good.
We finally boarded our friend Jamie and Andy's boat. It was so nice to see them.
We're definitely excited for an action-packed day of adventures. Way out there.
Definitely want to snorkel a little bit. Hi, nice to see you again. I'm Jen. Hi, nice to meet you. Good to see you.
Me too.
So you're Sister's friend.
Yes.
Sister.
That boat is beautiful. That's
The Windstar,
so
yeah. Well, guys, we're going to make our way to our next stop somewhere down here on Jost van Dyke or in the BVIs. We'll see you when we get there.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even want to hear.
So we're pulling into the Sydney's Peace and Love. It's a little bar in the cove here. You pull up and they give you a couple options of what you can have fresh catch for lunch. Tell them what you want. Come back in about an hour or two, or whenever you schedule it, and they'll have it ready for you. So we're just going to pull up and order our lunch now, and then we'll be back here to enjoy some fresh seafood.
Oh yeah.
Good morning.
Hi.
Do you have lobster today?
We just want two of those.
I think we'd like to get 2 orders of lobsters. We're just going to split it up. Yeah, to share. Noon, please.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. And just like that, we got 2 lobster meals ready for us. They will be ready for us at noon. So we'll be back.
Probably just catching them right now.
Uh-huh. After we placed our lunch order, it was a short ride around the next point to Foxy's Taboo, where we would take a really cool hike to the Bubbly pool. Hey, so we just made a dock at Foxy's Taboo. We're going to take a walk to a pretty cool little place called the Bubbly pool. We got a little bit of a hike once we pass the bar off the dock, and we'll be there.
Antigua is gorgeous.
Along the way to the Bubbly pool, there's a sign that's relatively new. Jost Van Dyke.
They're really
And we're almost there, guys. Just got to go over this ridge.
It says up the rock.
Up the rock.
Up the rock, man. Up the rock.
Maybe we'll see some billy goats.
This is the baby goats. Hi, baby goats. Sequoia water shoes.
Yeah, guys, it's a good time to mention if you're coming here to wear a good pair of water shoes. If you need a good pair of, these are very nice water shoes. These are the Sequoia water shoes that are available on our Amazon affiliate link. We'll have a link in the description of this video where you can get a pair of these Sequoia water shoes. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use our link, but we do get a small cut from Amazon. They're the same price. So check out our store, our Amazon affiliate page, and get yourself a pair of Sequoia water shoes so you're prepared when you come to the Bubbly pool on Jost Van Dyke. Well, we just showed up at the Bubbly pool, guys, and it looks like there's a few other guests here, and it's not very bubbly. It's not a lot of wind today, but here it is. How's the water feel?
Fantastic. Not very bubbly, but it feels amazing.
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
Yeah, so once in a while we'll get some big waves crashing through here.
But it feels amazing.
It didn't take long at all for the big waves to show up and demonstrate how the Bubbly pool got its namesake. So this is the Bubbly pool at Jost Van Dyke. What a good time.
This concludes our time here at the Bubbly pool. As you can see, we got lots of bubbles. So now we're gonna go off and find somewhere to snorkel, and then around noon go get lunch back at Sydney's.
Yeah, come along with us, guys. The walk back is just as tough as the walk up, but the views are amazing.
Must have been a heck of a storm through those shells up there like that.
After our walk back to the dock from the Bubbly pool, we're gonna get back on the boat and head back to Sydney's to get our lunch.
Ooh.
No one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even want to hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody?
All right, just made our way onto the dock at Sydney's to get our lunch. Should have a couple lobsters ready for us. Sydney's.
It's gonna be good, guys.
Yeah. So at Sydney's Peace and Love, you actually go behind the bar and help yourself to your cocktails on the honor system.
You want to make a cocktail?
Yep. And while we're here, we're gonna add our decal.
My mixology skills.
So you want
Well,
rum punch?
I'll have a Carib. You have what you like.
Rum punch. I'm in rum punch territory.
Well, I got a Carib. Jen's gonna help herself to a rum punch, and we'll have our lobster ready shortly. All right, so lunch is served. Look how beautiful this is.
Word.
Jen, I'm gonna give you half. You got your own butter and corn.
Alright, here's some sides.
Oh, thank
Got
you,
some potato
sir.
salad, coleslaw,
Ooh,
and rice and beans.
rice and beans.
All right, guys, we're gonna dig in. We'll give you a review when we're done.
Maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody.
Lunch was great at Sydney's. We're off to the Willy T.
Willy! Uncle Willy! Woo!
Oh, we had a little choppy ride across the cut there, but here we are in Norman's Island at the Bite and at the Willy T.
Woo! Willy! Say hi, everyone! Willy T! This is one of my personal favorites in the Caribbean. Come along with us, you guys.
Yeah, we had a good time here a few years ago. Let's see how much has changed. But yeah, Norman's Island, the Pirate's Bite, Willy T. We did stop to do some snorkeling at the caves, so look for that on our Patreon page. Our patrons will have access to that footage.
And watch us jump off of here.
You're gonna jump off.
I'm gonna jump off. Hell yes.
Though the Willy T has been a staple of the British Virgin Islands for over 35 years, this is not the original one. The previous Willy T was destroyed by the storms in 2017 and now sits at the bottom of the ocean, serving as an artificial reef that people can go and dive on. It's a tradition at the Willy T to jump off the back into the water, and we're definitely going to do that today.
Excellent.
Some good dives today.
Yeah.
You see some good stuff?
So we're rafted up at the Willy T. It can be kind of a hassle sometimes. You never know what the traffic's doing, but we're tied up and we go in and have a couple drinks. All right. Welcome aboard, Jen. All right. Welcome aboard the Willy T. Willy T gets real lively at night. This is just a taste of it.
Take a visit, take a visit, take a visit.
Of course, it's not the Willy T unless you jump off the top. Did you have fun?
Of course I did. I'm on the Willy T. Do you have my...
The Willy T has a menu. You can get lunch here. We just ate lunch at Sydney's, so we're not going to get anything to eat here. But if you wanted something, they got all kind of barbecue and chicken, hamburgers, you know, normal fare.
What did you say?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I got a margarita. Jen got the rum punch. We're going to enjoy these and hang out at the Willy T for a bit. Cheers.
What up, guys?
Yeah, so
I'm so glad that you're anytime you guys find anything any fun,
We got it filming. So your best day to come to the Willy T for some good adult fun is probably Sunday. There's a lot of kids here today, but it gets a little more fun later in the evening, you know, in the sunset and everything. But we had a great time, and we're gonna head out and probably head over to White Bay to the Soggy Dollar.
Bye, Willy! Bye, guys! I love you, Willy!
Guys, we're gonna head over to
Pussers.
Pussers in Cypress Hole and finish off our day there. It's beer 30, so we're gonna put the camera down and enjoy the rest of the evening. So thanks for coming along with us on this adventure in the USVIs with Reef Safari Charter.
Nothing further.
Nothing. We'll see you in the next episode.
Next episode.
It's beer 30.
You're funny.